Spring is the perfect time to refresh your home, and that includes the bathroom. So for today's video, we are going to be creating some gorgeous bathroom DIYs using Dollar Tree items that I cannot believe are so budget friendly, but look really high end. Don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up, and let's get started. Something that caught my eye were these gorgeous large rose hooks, and they have them in black, gray, white, and this little gold hook at the bottom, which I feel like was perfect. I am pairing these with some of those wooden frames. I call them frames. They were just in the crafty section or decorative section. They don't have backs to them, but I had a really cool idea. If we actually add backs to these, we could create like a large piece to hang those hooks on. So Dollar Tree had these really thin wooden pieces or wooden signs, and I just took a utility knife. It was kind of harder for me to do it on camera because my hand's out in front of me. I couldn't really put pressure, so I tried to use scissors, but for the next two, it was super easy. Off camera, I just went on top of a mat, put a lot more pressure, and cut out 3 of these wooden squares that fit perfect inside of these wooden frames. I go ahead and attach those before I do any painting. Now you definitely could stain this, but I have been loving mixing my little water mixture, which is just a truffle brown, dark brown paint, and this is chalk paint, but any paint would work, as well as a little bit of the mineral color, which is like a beige color, to lighten it up, and then water it down, and then just pretty much apply it like stain all over the entire thing. It's going to darken it up, and like I feel like it's going to warm it up to look a lot more cozy and go better with the light color hooks that I'm using. Alright, so after I got all of them stained or painted and completely dried, I'm going to flip this to the back. Now you can take the time to stain the back. I'm not worried about it because when I hang it on the wall, no one's ever going to see it. But the next step here is to attach these. Once again, I'm using hot glue, but definitely feel free to use a wood glue, or if you have more time than me, to use something a little bit stronger. I ended up hot gluing my hooks down, but if I had a little bit more time, I would have actually drilled a hole through the middle just to make sure they're going to last longer. But I have already hung up towels and robes on this, and it seems to be really strong and it is lasting for me. But I feel like this makes it a decorative piece rather than just having the single little roses on the wall. Definitely fits my style more. It just really warms up the bathroom. While we are talking about refreshing the bathroom, I want to thank today's sponsor, Lumi, and let you know if you haven't tried them out yet, now is the perfect time. Plus, I have a huge discount for you guys coming up. Last year, I was set on improving my health, trying to be more aware of what I was putting in my body as well as on top of my skin. I started replacing a lot of my skincare and personal products and really paying attention to my sensitive skin, and I can already tell a huge difference. After ditching all of my aluminum-filled deodorants, I switched to Lumi and have never looked back. It's clinically proven to block the body odor all day and continues controlling BO for 72 hours. Lumi is a whole body deodorant. It's not just for your pits, so anywhere that you sweat or have problem areas, this can work for you. I don't always have time to shower directly after a workout. I have to get to work, so this is a game changer. And it makes me just smell really refreshing. Lumi is skin safe, baking soda free, paraben free, and does not stain your clothes. It was invented by OBGYN Shannon Klingman. I have to say that this spray deodorant is one of my favorite products that they offer. I have it in the soft powder scent. It smells absolutely amazing, but they have several different scents to choose from and bundle packs to get exactly what you're looking for. The Lumi Starter Pack Bundle is a great deal for all new customers. It comes with a full-size stick deodorant, a cream deodorant tube or spray deodorant, 2 free products like the wipes or the mini body wash, free US shipping, and just for my followers, Lumi is offering an extra $5 off if you click the link down in the description box and use code CRAFTS at checkout. That makes it over 40% off. See, I told you it was the perfect time to try it out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and hop back into some more bathroom DIYs. Okay, so I know I have in the past picked up random jars and spray painted the top different colors, but this is a very simple way to elevate your look on a budget. I am shopping the hair accessory aisle at Dollar Tree and found these really fun metal hair clips. Now they have tons to pick from. They have butterflies or different flowers. I thought these looked really easy to work with and were the perfect size for the little holder at the top. So I just kind of rocked back and forth on the little hairpin until the metal give or the little weld broke off of it. And then I'm using hot glue, but you could use a stronger glue. I just painted these with a rose gold spray paint and then hot glued these right onto the little handle or the little knob on the top. And I feel like these look so much better than just the silver cheap looking knob at the top, and actually makes it look like a decorative set. I feel like these mirrors in particular are going to be selling out like crazy. They are just made really well. They're new to me. I haven't seen this style before with the actual mirrors around the edges. They are high quality and they have like a good backing to them and hanging system. So just you could hang these on the wall doing nothing to them and they would look incredible. But I want to share with you all a couple of different ways to DIY these and make these into gorgeous decor pieces. The first thing to do is to hang them in a set of 3 with a rope hanging. I love this method. It's so easy to do. All you're doing is hot gluing a piece of rope. You don't even have to cut the rope until you get done, but just glue it onto the edges. Leave some give at the top so you can hang it with a nail, and then leave some at the bottom so you can tie some little knots at the bottom and unravel it a little bit for a decorative look. I tried to space mine out very carefully, so I used some paint bottles just to hold them in place so that both of these are going to be spaced out very even. But just continue to do this to all 3 mirrors and then it is ready to go. But this takes no time at all and it's one of my favorite things hanging in the bathroom. I feel like it just makes such a bigger impact and looks so much better hanging up whenever you make Dollar Tree pieces like bigger, hang them in multiples. It just makes like a bigger statement. So I feel like this looks so gorgeous. I hung it behind the door. It adds like character back there and a little bit of extra light's going to bounce from behind the door, but I think it turned out really good. As for the second idea, I was going to use E6000, but this one actually dried up and I tried to stick a needle in it, tried to cut the end off of it, and it was really dried up. So I end up just using hot glue again, but once again, trade it out for your favorite adhesive. But I am just gluing 3 of these together for the top, 3 of them together for the bottom, and then attach them and creating like a large window like mirror to style in my bathroom, especially if you have like an entryway table or a blank space where you need a larger piece of decor. This is so inexpensive, but going to really bring in extra lighting and just be useful as well. So I love creating these, very simple to throw together. I did flip this over and go ahead and add some glue just to re-secure it in the back. And then I am just styling this on top of my countertops, but I feel like it looks so good. Definitely something you would pay more than $6 for at the store. Okay, so I've been loving my new bathtub in my bathroom, so I want to buy all of the bathtub decor. I thought it would be really fun to put a mini little tub on this plain white candle. I'm pretty sure this is actually from Dollar General, so it was a few bucks extra, but it's a nicer quality candle and a larger piece than something I would purchase at the Dollar Tree. I just kind of made my own little image. I took a pre-made image and removed the bath, but you could definitely just type this out. I'm using Cricut Design Space. I found one that says soak, relax, and unwind, and then I went and actually found a different bathtub and added that above the little words. measured it down to the perfect size and then cut this out on my Cricut, just applied it to it, and it really looks like you bought like a personalized candle without a lot of work at all. I did cut mine out so tiny, so I struggled with the tiny little letters just a little bit, so I had to fix the R, but this just is so cute. I have one of those little trays on my bathtub, so I've been decorating it like in different ways, and I feel like it just makes the space so cozy and fun, and I've been taking a lot of baths since it's been winter time, so any kind of little decorative piece up there just looks so cozy to me, and I think it's really fun, so I really enjoyed this. I think it's really cute, but you definitely could feel free to do this to any of Dollar Tree's cheaper candles. I didn't mean for this entire video to be mirror themed, but there was just so many good scores. I found some more of these arched mirrors. I bought them in the past and used them, but I knew I had to try to make a version just for springtime in the bathroom. So I come across these fun stickers. They're kind of like gold and green mixed, and I thought they would be really cute if I kind of outline the edges of this mirror with them just to give it an extra decorative touch. So I feel like you can't go wrong with decorating with mirrors everywhere in the bathroom. It just brings in extra light and just really fills in any space. I just started applying the stickers wherever I wanted them and then took my utility knife to cut away the excess. I always get so excited at the beginning of every year. Dollar Tree seems to put out different styles of stickers. These were new to me. I've used tons of the Dollar Tree vine stickers as well as little plants, so I was so excited to find just a new color. I have like gold fixtures in there, gold hardware, so this kind of ties it in together while adding that fresh color of green. And I will be making me some like fake florals and some little pots and things to go in here. But I think they turned out really cute and will be fun to add to a shelf. Thank you all so much for checking out today's video. Another huge thank you to Lumi for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to use my code CRAFTS at checkout for over 40% off. All of that info is in the description box. Thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting. Bye.